Hello, annyeonghaseyo, this is Joshua and I'm back for another video. So for today's agenda, I will be doing a DIY Korean inspired na sling bags. So as what you can see, title ng video na din ito. And now, I've made something that I really like. So here it is. So this one is inspired with this bag. Ayan, so yan kasi nakita ko yan sa Facebook and then I was really intrigued on how beautiful it is, even though it's really kind of simple naman pero it's really unique. So ayun, so rather than buying this one kasi nung price yan is parang nasa 850 ata pesos, 850 pesos. So why not try making it something. And then here's what it is. I just love how it looks. Though it's kind of bigger than the original one. So para mas malaki siya. So but I don't care kasi I'm a big man naman din. So yeah, it really, oh my god, ang ganda niya talaga. So yeah. So all of these were hand-sewn. So kinamay ko lang to sa tahi, no? So lahat yan. So ginamit ko is running stitch. So yeah, so today I will be doing another one and this is the inspiration. So parang Harajuku, something like that. So to make this video short, no, mag-voice over na lang ako sa lahat ng gagawin ko para mas mabilis siya.
To start with, I cut the fabric from front to back up until the flapper para isa natin yung pagtahi niya, and then I doubled it para din medyo makapal-kapal siya. Next, I'll be flipping the fabric inside out so that I will be sewing the upper and the lower part para pag binaliktad siya ulit, hindi na makikita yung unang tahi. Next, we will be sewing the sides of the flapper. So to know where to start na magtahi, we will be folding the front and the back side, leaving a space for the flapper. And then after that, we will be pinning it. So after flipping the fabric inside out, we will now start connecting the front and the back side of the bag para ma-close yung sides niya. And don't worry if makikita yung tahi kasi babaliktarin naman din ulit siya para yung tahi mo nasa loob. And don't forget the first long strap na ilalagay natin dun sa kabilang side para isahan na yung tahi niya. Next, we will make a hole sa harap ng flapper so that doon natin ilalagay yung parang bulsa ng strap. Then after making a small strap, ilalagay na natin siya dun sa butas and then make sure na tatayan ulit siya para hindi mag-move yung nilagay natin.
Now I'm done putting the strap on the back side, and now the other strap naman lagay natin tong parang hook niya. Naka-fix siya para hindi ito yung parang permanent na niyang length And then yung sa kabilang side, yun yung nag-a-adjust. Ako yung mag-a-adjust teacher. Para sa yung kabilang side, yun yung parating nag-a-adjust na lang. So that is for this video. I hope nagustuhan niyo yung ginawa ko for this video. So yan, so this is the final outcome in this one too. So I hope nagustuhan niyo yung video ngayon. So yun lang. So yeah, so time check, it's 4:47 PM na. So for me 1 hour and 40 minutes kasi nasimula ako 3 o'clock. So 1 hour and 40 minutes may pagkat. So pag umorder ka online, 2 weeks pinakamaga na yan dumating yan. So here it is. So yan, so that's all for this video. And yung